Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to order GNC products online. First, visit the GNC website. You'll want to familiarize yourself with the layout to make your shopping experience smooth. We'll cover how to locate the items you need and then guide you through the simple steps of adding them to your virtual shopping cart. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Finding your desired GNC products is simple. You can use the prominent search bar at the top of the page for specific items, or explore categories like vitamins and supplements or protein and fitness. To narrow down your options, apply filters for brand, price range, or even your specific health goals. Always take a moment to read product descriptions and customer reviews to ensure you're selecting the best fit for your needs. Once your cart is full, it's time to check out. Carefully review all items in your shopping cart to confirm quantities and selections are correct. Next, you'll enter your shipping address and billing information. Ensure these details are accurate to avoid any delays. Finally, select your preferred payment method and confirm your order. GNC offers secure checkout for a worry-free purchase. After placing your order, you'll receive an email confirmation, often within minutes, detailing your purchase and providing a tracking number. This allows you to monitor your package's journey right to your door. GNC aims for efficient delivery, typically within 5 business days for standard shipping. Soon, you'll be enjoying your new products. Also, for other great deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.